Hello everyone. Today I will show you all how I edit my videos. This is the basic step to become a pro level editor. Okay, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start. Go to File, then New Project. There you can name your project and select a location to save. Okay, let's create a sequence to work. Click on this area and go to File, New. Then select Sequence. There you can set the sequence size to create a 1080p HD video. Under the HDV menu you can select 1080p settings. Okay. You can just drag and drop your video and audio files into the software. Make sure you are selected the project menu. I have imported the video files that I am going to use in this video. Now I will show you how to download musics for free. No copyright. Go to YouTube audio library, there you can download some free musics. I have added the link in the description. I'll bring the downloaded music to Premiere Pro now. Okay. Let's start the editing. Drag and drop the video you want to the timeline. Let's add the background music too. The below section is for audio files. The upper section is for video files. Let's remove the audio from the original footage. Right-click on the video and unlink both layers. Then you can just delete the audio layer from it. Let's play and see how it is. Press spacebar for play and pause. I am giving you a tip. When you cut a video, make the transition with the beat. Right here, the place where the beat starts. I am gonna cut the first footage. How to cut and trim a video? Go to Razor tool. Select the tool and click on the track where you want to cut. Then go back to Selection tool by pressing V. Simply press Delete button to remove it. Okay. Now I am bringing the second clip I want in my video. Right here. There is a way to fill this gap easily. Right-click there and select Ripple Delete. This clip is less than our sequence size. You can scale it, double-click over it and scale it. Let's play it to see how it looks. It's better to give a transition between two clips. Go to Effects. There is Video Transitions. Let's try a zoom transition. Select one and drag and drop between two clips. Let's play it to see how it looks. There are a lot of transitions here. You can try. Okay. Let's cut it right here. Now go back to Project menu and bring another clip. Let's cut it right here. Bring the next clip now. How we add a fade effect? Go to Dissolve menu in Effects, then drag Cross Dissolve. If you want the fade to be long, just drag the effect a bit. Let's end the video right here. First, cut the audio and video where you want to end. Now we have to give a fade out for video layer and the audio layer. There is audio transitions too. Select it and drag to the track. Let's end it smoother. Just scale that effect a bit. Now let's fade out the video. Now let's see how to add a text overlay to a video. Now we have created the text layer. Click on the screen and type now. You can do adjustments to the text in this menu. If it's not visible to you, select Graphics Workspace. Let's change the font. To add a fade effect to the start and the end, select the layer and press Ctrl and D. Now I want the same effect and font to the end text. Hold Alt and drag the text layer to the end. You can change the text by double-clicking it. Now let's see how to export an HD video. Select H264 in the format. There are some presets here. Select how the output you want. I want to export this to 1080p HD, so it's here. Click here and give a name to the video, and also set where you want to save it. If you want the video to be low file size, just reduce the target bitrate a bit. OK. Now press export button. Please give a like to my video and also subscribe, share much as possible. Thank you for watching. If you have any requests, please leave it on comment section.